Welcome back to Luke's Downey's farm.
Hi guys, welcome back to Luke's vlogs. You're not even aiming it at me.
Oh my god,
Oh
babe,
my god,
it's massive.
its fucking head's so big.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Dude, you don't need to be scared of him. Oh my god, look at him. What if he'll peck me? Oh, Jesus Christ. You little bastard, yeah. I'm gonna start eating you guys now.
Try to get out. You actually can't? Oh shoot, you're really strong. Did that hurt your neck?
No, no, no. No, I know it does, but...
You have to bring them up at the same time.
It's gonna fucking break my neck coming down. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to get up. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna be able to get the thing up.
Oh my god. What did you do this time? Guys, we are about to go inside the haunted house.
No, she's kinda scared.
Wait, stop. Oh my god, that's so creepy.
What, that? Oh, it's real.
Oh my god.
Not just a prop.
That's such a scary note.
Oh, another year, another day in this tree.
Oh my god, he's levitating.
Taken from a fella who's been round the block so many times. He's really got it going on. It's only natural. It's only
It's a battle between the sexes. 3, 2, go! Go! You won! We're in the corn maze and have no way out. Are you sure this is the right way?
No. Looks like we're going further.
Let's go here. Guys, it's been 3 hours and we're still stuck in the...
Guys, I haven't had water in like 4 hours.
He had to poop in the,
Yeah, I had to use a corn leaf. This right here to wipe my bum.
Guys,
It's not the same.
it's been a total of 12 hours.
She forgot to press record, so we have to come back and pretend like we're at the
And
end.
we finally found the exit. Yeah, green.
Yeah, green.
Yeah.
So if you stick right in the maze, you'll hit the exit.
Yeah,
You
after
go-
12 hours.
Yeah, it'll take 12 hours though.
That was fast.
Let's go.
Catch my phone.
Okay, go.
I can't take it off.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. If I can get 65, I'll be happy.
Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah!
61 and it hit the target.
61.
Woo! Thank you. Last one. Okay. All my might, all my energy. The universe is gonna give me the energy to throw this ball. Oh, Jesus. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go.
Whoa, that was... Guys,
go.
manifestation in it. Like, there's proof right there.
That's perfect.
That was insane.
That's all I wanted.